Okay, I'm gonna be showing you what I packed into my nomadic backpack, so let's get started. Let's start in the back. Let's go in here. I carry with me a Cocoon case. This has the mouse, USB thumb drive, a USB electric charger, and a USB cord with lightning and micro USB, and a little stylus. So I put that right here. Mouse pad. Put that where the iPad's supposed to go. So right there. Close that up. Okay, so now we have a laptop right here. Just put that in. Electric charger. I'll just kind of take this Cocoon out. I'll just kind of stuff it right here. Close that. Now, let's pack the middle. I'm going to start with more electronics. This is a battery charger, USB. Had it since 2012. Hasn't broke on me yet. Very reliable. So we'll put that here. Have kind of a typical remedy kit. It's motion sickness, some garlic if I get stomach aches, Pepto-Bismol, Dramamine, Tylenol, gum, Salonpas for like aches and muscles, and some actual Band-Aids. And yeah, so we put that right here. We got their nomadic chain. I never really use this, but this lives right here, I believe. Yeah, kind of clips on. There we go. Sunglasses holder. So this, believe it or not, lives right here in this section. So we'll do that right here. Pack this. Put the cover on. Here, let me open it. These are bands. In case I'm like, there's no gym accessible at a hotel room, or if I'm sitting down somewhere for a long time, I put these on and exercise. Put them on your leg or your shoulders. I mean, not shoulders, your arms. But I pack those with me. Okay, I put those in here. Lacrosse ball for massaging purposes. I bring a candle, as you can see. If you have noticed in my other video, I bring this for relaxation. So I put that right here. Also bring a lighter. And that's really it. And when I pack in the center, usually it's clothes, a jacket. I'll stuff it, but remember, don't stuff it. It's gonna rip this backpack. So now I close it. Close that up. Close that up. Now let's do this front. So, close that up. My toiletry kit. So that actually lives down here. So let's put that right here. Put that there. Close this up. Stress relief candy. I'll put that right here usually. I've got some green superfood tablet drops. You can just drop them in water and get the full servings of vegetables as they claim. I don't believe it. You should still eat your vegetables. Put that right next to my stress thing. Actually, no, I like to put it right here. We got emergency for whatever reason. You might need it. Put that there. Quick access. I've got stress relief. Wow, more stress relief. Homeopathic tablets for, stress relief. So I put that right here too. Right next to my other stress relief. I've got hand sanitizing hand wipes. These are really great, you know. When you touch something like a handrail, you know, or an escalator, you're just touching a lot of things, you know, the touch screen on the check-in machine, and you know, you touch your phone, you know, a lot of germs, right? So I use these to wipe stuff, not those things down, but my own devices, like my laptop, my phone case. So I put these in here, this little thing in my pocket right here. We have medicine, well not medicine, sorry, vitamins. I carry vitamins with me so that I take them. So put that there. Spoon, for whatever reason, that, you know, just, I don't like using plastic, wasteful. I have a tile, just in case I lose this backpack and all my stuff is gone. So put that there. There. I put pencils, you never know. I like to keep red and blue, and a Sharpie and a pencil. I put those in the obvious slots. Put those there, if I can get those on. There we go. My business cards, so I keep these right here. Yeah. Earplugs. Earplugs will live right here on this other pouch majig. I do the clip on like that. And boom. It's an earplug container, so you just open that up. Oh, I don't have earplugs. Okay, so we'll just close that up. Let it live in there. I also keep redwood. These are little redwood cubes. The reason why I have them is I heard they smell great. They keep things fresh. Like you have some, you know, nasty clothing. You just drop a few of these in there. You know, I'll maybe drop one in here. And I'll drop one in, I don't know, another one in there. And they keep things kind of fresh, supposedly. I don't know, but I like having it there. So, been trying to read this, How to Win Friends and Influence People. That actually goes back to the main. Now you're wondering, wow, the main's kind of full. Yes, it is. Don't stuff more stuff in it. Got a lotion, hand lotion, get really dry skin. I put that in the front quick accessory pocket. So I think this area is good. Close this up. Whoa, it's not closing. What's the deal here? Blotting tissues, I get greasy when I'm on an airport or airplane, so I definitely use those and blot my face. I put that in a quick accessory pocket. My foldable one, I keep that on this side, always the left hand side for some reason. Because when I carry it, I go like this and I bring it out. I'm right hand dominant. Fit kicks, I keep that here. Okay. Pretty heavy. Lock. I like having that on because there was one instance where I had to check this backpack in and I wouldn't want anyone. Okay, we're here on the scale. 13.6 pounds, my goodness. This is what I pack in my nomadic backpack, and at 13.6 pounds, you're wondering, why on earth would anybody carry so much stuff? But guess what? I use everything in there, and it's a great addition, you know, to have when you don't want to go out and buy something. So everything's already accessible, and I don't mind the extra weight. You know, I'm not carrying it every day, meaning when it's heavy I take it off, but I don't have to walk long distance with it. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more.